1934 Rolls-Royce 2025 Limousine RHD. Price: $26,500. Location: Idaho, USA. The 1934 Rolls-Royce 2025 Limousine is more than just a classic automobile. It is a rolling piece of history from one of the most prestigious luxury car manufacturers ever created. Hidden away for years and recently emerging from long-term California storage, this rare right-hand drive limousine offers collectors and enthusiasts a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own a genuine pre-war Rolls-Royce. The first thing that captures your attention is the car's commanding presence. Standing proudly on massive 19-inch wire wheels wrapped in elegant white-wall tires, this limousine represents an era when luxury automobiles were handcrafted masterpieces. Every curve, every panel, and every detail reflects the unmatched craftsmanship that helped establish Rolls-Royce as the gold standard of automotive excellence. The exterior design instantly transports you back to the golden age of motoring. The imposing front grille, sweeping fenders, side-mounted spare tire, and classic trunk create an appearance that is both sophisticated and unforgettable. Unlike modern vehicles designed by computers, this limousine was created during a time when beauty and elegance were considered just as important as performance. The interior continues the story of luxury and refinement. Rich wood trim surrounds the cabin, while spacious seating provides a glimpse into the comfort enjoyed by wealthy owners nearly a century ago. One of the most fascinating features is the inclusion of folding occasional seats, often referred to as jump seats, allowing additional passengers to travel in style. The rear-hinged coach doors add a dramatic touch that instantly elevates the car's prestige. The heart of this magnificent machine is its smooth inline six-cylinder engine paired with a desirable four-speed manual transmission. During its era, the Rolls-Royce 2025 earned a reputation for exceptional reliability and refinement. Owners praised its quiet operation, effortless cruising ability, and impressive engineering standards. Even today, these characteristics continue to make the model highly respected among vintage automobile collectors. The Rolls-Royce 2025 was produced from 1929 through 1936 and became one of the company's most successful pre-war models. More than 3,800 chassis were built, many receiving custom coachwork from some of the world's finest bodybuilders. As a result, no two examples are exactly alike, making each surviving vehicle a unique piece of automotive heritage. The example you see here represents an exciting restoration opportunity. While many collectors spend hundreds of thousands of dollars purchasing fully restored classics, project cars like this allow enthusiasts to bring history back to life with their own vision and craftsmanship. The combination of originality, rarity, and historical significance creates enormous potential for future value and enjoyment.